I am delighted to introduce our third entry in IBM's Backup as a Service Storage Protect for Cloud Dynamics 365, also known as Spectrum Protect Plus Online Services. Yeah, IBM Spectrum Protect Plus Online Services is going through a name change. This offering will be known as Storage Protect for Cloud. If you go to our product pages, you'll already see the new naming. Hi, this is Rob Coventry with IBM Storage Software. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why you should protect your Dynamics 365 data with Storage Protect for Cloud. IBM Storage Protect for Cloud is a comprehensive multi-workload cloud data protection platform. SP4C is a software as a service platform designed from the ground up to protect multiple cloud workloads and offers all the SaaS benefits you would expect, like subscription model, software that's maintained and hosted by IBM, and enhancements that are continually added. And there's no need to install anything locally or infrastructure to maintain. We provide the most comprehensive and differentiated data protection for Microsoft 365 in the marketplace. We added a preview for Power Platform covering Power BI and Automate, soon to be extended. We recently released a market-leading data protection for Salesforce. We will be adding support for Microsoft Azure very soon, and Google Workspace mid-summer. Today, I will describe the data protection for Microsoft Dynamics 365, a perfect complement to our industry-leading M365 offering. By the end of this presentation, you'll see how SP4C protects Dynamics 365 data across organizations and for all your customizations and complexities, all your records, attachments, and relationships. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is both a customer relationship management and an enterprise resource planning suite of applications. SP4C covers the CRM products on the left: sales, marketing, commerce, and support. As Microsoft opens up ERP APIs, we will surely follow with industry-leading coverage. Now let's explore the questions that are probably in your mind. The first couple are obvious. You chose a SaaS solution to shift the responsibility to the SaaS provider, so why worry? And doesn't Microsoft take care of that for me? Then I'll describe what Storage Protect for Cloud, SP4C, can do for you. Let's dig into the reasons Dynamics 365 clients need a backup product, the challenges any SaaS platform faces. The way most clients depend on Dynamics 365, the challenges are more acute. Dynamics 365 administrators and business owners have a goal to prevent data loss and maintain business continuity, where SP4C can help. As a Dynamics user, my job is to make updates that reflect important business activities. I could easily mess the data up, and the rest of the business depends upon that. Administrators can also make mistakes. User errors are usually the most common reasons for a data protection product. Given these challenges, we should ask, are Dynamics protection capabilities enough? Will the recovery point and recovery time meet your business requirements? You need a recovery solution that is flexible enough to meet your recovery point and time objectives easily. Backup and recovery should minimize cost, time, complexities by baking in best practices. What we're trying to determine is the right strategy for protecting your Dynamics 365 workload, how to right-size protection that matches your business and regulatory requirements. We think SP4C is the right answer. Dynamics 365 data is not personal data. It's the kind of data that's reported to Wall Street, used for forecasting, sales, labor, and many other important business planning and reporting purposes. Still, the most common causes of data loss come from users and administrators. Users might accidentally upload the wrong contacts into the client or delete records. And maybe there's simply some corruption from multiple people walking on each other's updates. Admins have the ability to make big updates and deletes. Many Dynamics 365 systems are trimmed for purposes of performance and cost benefits. For operational purposes, sandboxes are intended to be used for testing and education. Even the most thorough testing can't catch every mistake, and functional tests may be faster and easier with a subset of the data where granular sandbox seeding is better, and delegated control of the operation is best left to those developers. What about security and compliance? Both internally and externally, you know that there are people who are trying to maliciously attack your corporate data assets. Maybe some disgruntled employee corrupts important sales data. Perhaps your business has long retention or legal requirements. How do you balance all this with the retention requirements you've got? Of course, Microsoft offers built-in capabilities to protect against user errors. Microsoft natively runs incremental backups 1 to 2 times a day, but how do you deal with the most common issues when users accidentally delete big opportunity or merge accounts and all those related records? Admins have powerful tools to mass create or delete data. When Microsoft only retains data for 28 days and recovers at the instance level, how do you deal with the more common granular level data loss? The question to ask is, do native capabilities match your recovery point or recovery time objectives? Native backup and restore requires administrators to have high skills in properly recovered data, limiting recovery times and increasing risks as well as cost. Are these native capabilities right for your business as RPO, RTO, or SLA? Microsoft does offer administrative mechanisms to protect data. For instance, administrators can recover for up to 28 days, but only at the instance level. Microsoft will also create copies of your production Dynamics org to a sandbox, but the same limitation exists for that instance level only. Mass changes could be recovered at a field level much faster with granular control, and seeding a subset of the data is much faster than loading your entire org. Giving the developers control to perform these kind of tasks puts the control in the right hands. And what do you do when you need data reaching beyond that built-in retention level? Look, Microsoft cautions that recovering from these common data losses can take a lot longer than you expect. Like most SaaS providers, Microsoft assures systems availability in case of data center failures or disasters. They provide high availability with replicated data centers with near real-time replication of data, as well as recovery for short-term errors. Microsoft performs daily backups on the tenant's behalf to assure availability. However, when it comes to security and compliance, that's the Dynamics admin responsibility. If you're maliciously attacked by insiders or hackers, if malware strikes, or if your SLA is beyond the built-in services, or you need to discover data beyond the built-in or configured retention, it's your responsibility. Microsoft clearly states in their services agreement recommending users to use third-party backup solutions to protect their data. And Forrester recommends the only practical option for SaaS protection is to use a cloud-to-cloud solution. We've established the reasons to worry, the limitations of the built-in capabilities. This is why we offered Storage Protect for Cloud Dynamics 365. Storage Protect for Cloud Dynamics 365 keeps your business up and running with confidence using up to 4 times daily backups plus on-demand backups and comprehensive, simple, fast restores. The benefits to a workload administrator are to scale IT with one-click automated backups using a set-it-and-forget-it approach, requiring no configuration and reducing time. Recovering data faster with quick search and compare capabilities that reduce human errors and complexity with non-disruptive recovery, reducing admin costs. And minimizing data loss with full fidelity, granularity, and comprehensive data and metadata customization coverage. You can also mitigate against malicious actors with long-term retention and easy recovery. SP4C is hosted by IBM and Microsoft Azure and built in the cloud. It works natively with Microsoft and brings 99.9% service availability and continuous automated version updates and fixed deployment. We have implemented our solution in 5 data centers across the globe. We offer 2 licensing options. Both are per user, per month, billed annually. Option 1 offers unlimited IBM Azure storage per user. Option 2 gives clients the option to bring their own storage. To give clients a chance to kick the tires, we encourage registering for our 30-day free trial. SP4C clients use near zero configuration to go from login to automated 4 times daily backup with their Dynamics 365 environment in nearly 20 minutes. Native backup occurs only 1 to 2 times a day, and SP4C delivers a much better RPO. Adding orgs or sandboxes, quick and simple. Point SP4C to multiple D365 orgs and sandbox to protect production and test systems. Think set it and forget it. Plus, SP4C includes an on-demand backup that allows developers to protect the system right before they get ready to push something into production, or maybe to get a snapshot of the latest data for sandbox seeding purposes. All this with data protection coverage for Dynamics CRM suite across sales, marketing, service, and commerce. This solution is architected to allow our clients to choose the storage they use for backup. Choose to store backup either using the default unlimited IBM Azure Blob storage or bring your own storage if you want more control of your data. You can store backups on IBM Spectrum Protect S3, IBM Cloud Object Storage, or your own Azure Blob, also AWS S3, and a couple other options. Using Spectrum Protect, or Storage Protect as it's known today, gives you the option to store copies on tape for true air gapping. With SP4C, you have retention for the term of your contract plus 6 months and end-to-end encryption. Your number one objective when you incur data loss is rapid, reliable, and simplified recovery. SP4C provides in-place, dry run, or out-of-place to your sandbox or to other orgs at the object level, the record, or fields with full parent-child fidelity. SP4C Compare Tools makes it easy to assure that you're recovering exactly the data you want, even restore from the results of that compare. And one of the things that separates SP4C is delegated administration, where you can either segment or share administrative access across your cloud workloads or within cloud workloads. Delegated administration further reduces cost and recovery times by putting control in the developer's hands. Those developers who are performing the D365 tests more rapidly restore the data they need. Build your Dynamics 365 enhancements faster and minimize product errors by seeding faster at granular level. Grant developers the rights to seed their own sandboxes faster at the granularity they need. Use our central command dashboard to always stay on top of the backups, schedules, and user activities that you need to stay on top of. Key benefits of SP4C can be summarized by reviewing the features we highlighted. Automated backup can't be overstated. As a SaaS offering, IBM owns the responsibility for scaling the system, providing availability, and delivering best practice backup built into the solution for comprehensive Dynamics 365 protection. That is delivered with near zero configuration in minutes. We offer ability to air gap, select your storage options, and fully encrypt your data end to end. You can recover data on your own terms, in place or out of place, with precision compare tools, minimizing human errors. Reduce cost and administrative overhead with delegated administrative capabilities. Scale your IT with faster sandbox seeding and gain peace of mind with long-term retention, visibility, and control. Licensing SP4C is simple. 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year per user license, aligned with Microsoft user model. Thank you for allowing me to share this exciting new offering. I encourage you to register for our free 30-day trial to see how easy and valuable Storage Protect for Cloud can be for your Dynamics 365 environment. We've got great resources to learn more about our offering, including videos on YouTube, online documentation, and even more. Check us out at ibm.com/products/Storage Protect for Cloud.